beauties, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to talk about the Air Styler again. So if you want to learn how to use yours, or you're thinking about getting one and just want to see if it works, then definitely keep on watching. And if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I wanted to do this video because I think this is a great gift. It's not too expensive and you really are going to use it. It really works. I still have it in the top of my vanity and I still use it pretty much every time I wash my hair. So if you're looking just for final thoughts, I think it's worth it. I think it's really good and I've been really enjoying it for months. Today I'm going to do my regular blowout look, and for that I'm going to start with the big head. My hair is already prepped and ready to get styled. If you want to see what products I use and how I prep my hair, I will be showing you how I do it at the end of the video. But for now, let's get right into it. This is the first head that I'm going to use to style my hair. I style my hair in different ways with this tool, but to be honest, these are my most used tools. It's very rare that I reach out for any of the other attachments. However, I still think that this is a great tool and that you should buy it, because if you wanted to, you can actually get use at least of 5 of the heads. So I'm going to start by drying this piece of hair, and when it's pretty much completely dry, I'm going to switch to the smaller head, and this is what's going to give it that roller effect. You only have to pass it a few times and it's pretty much dry already. So I'm going to switch to the smaller head and I'm going to use it as a roller. And for the first layer, I'm going to roll it upwards to make sure I have that flick. The next step is very important and it will only take 1 second. Take the brush and put it in the cool setting and do the exact same thing. This is going to help your hairstyle to last longer. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps on the next layer, but this time I'm going to roll it inwards to have the flick coming to the other side, and that's what's going to give that blowout effect. And then just repeat the process. If you want, you can do the whole thing with the small attachment. I just think it's faster when I use the big attachment first and then swap to the other one. It takes me 2 seconds and I can dry more hair at the same time. Now that both sides are ready, the last thing I do is I put all of my hair to the back and I take the back section, like the crown section, and I go in with the small brush and I push it towards the front and then I roll it. And this is how I achieve the blowout effect with the Air Styler. Again, I really enjoy using this one. I really like it. Once you get the hang of it, it's very easy to use. I have managed to come up with different styles, so I can create waves, I can create a blowout effect. This is one of my longer styles. Usually if I wash my hair and I just want to dry it and make it look nice, I would only use a big head and it will take me no time. I do tend to always section the hair. I find it the easiest and the fastest way, but this is probably my favorite style that I make with this tool. I just want to share with you that I opened a brand new Instagram account in English just for you guys. So please go and follow me there, because I will be sharing a lot of tips of style and beauty and just a little bit more of my daily life. These are the products that I use to style my hair. Of course, you don't need to use these specific ones. I have used this styler without any product and it works pretty much the same. I use this one to proof my hair from humidity. My hair is wavy and textured, so it tends to go very big and frizzy when it's humid. That's why I use this one, and I don't use it every time I wash my hair. This is the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. The next product I use is the Brogio Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1 Leave-In Spray. I use this one because it helps protect my hair from the UV rays, helps to keep it a little bit hydrated. I put a lot of heat and a lot of damaging things to my hair, so I like to do that. And the final product is the Coco and Eve Miracle Hair Elixir. I use these to protect my hair from the heat. I think this is a very important step every time you're going to heat style your hair, but especially when using these tools, because we tend to leave it in one area for too long, and that can be very damaging to your hair. So always use a heat protectant. Obviously, I already have my bangs done. I don't use this tool to do my bangs for different reasons. You can do it. I actually show you how you can do it on my last video about it, but I just prefer using a regular hair dryer to do my bangs. Right now they are a little bit on the longer side, so they tend to be a little bit trickier to style. That's why I don't even try to go with the air styler, because I know I'm going to fail. And in general, I just already know how to do it very fast with the regular hair dryer, and I like the result better. So I want to be super transparent and tell you that I don't do my bangs with this tool. If you're thinking about getting it and you're not sure if it's going to be worth it or not, I can tell you that I do not regret getting it. And if you have a specific questions, you can leave it in the comments down below, and I'm happy to answer with my experience. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see the first video I did on the Air Brilliance styler, then click on the video in the screen. And follow me on Instagram at @stylewithvalentina, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!